Okay, now I am move to new tab which is not incognito. So here you can see the different icons also. So just ignore them because they are just plugins that I've installed. Let me deactivate them so you are not confused. So I deactivate them, now they are gone. So let's deploy this contract. Click on injected provider MetaMask. Okay, now just select it. Now you can see the one address that is providing by MetaMask. You will be able to see it here. Okay, now follow the instruction. Okay, let's just deploy it.